I want to show you how to repair a interior door handle on a 2010 Chevy Silverado. Tools you're going to need is an extension, 10mm, and a drill and a Phillips screwdriver, and a pick or a small flathead. First thing you're going to do is remove this piece. This pops off 3 clips. And then there's another cover right here you have to remove. Take that off. There's one 10mm right there. Pop this cover off. And there's 2 more in this handle. There's one right there and one down here. And then pop this cover off right here. And there's 2 more in there. So you got 2, 4, 5. And then with a knife or something small, get in here and pop this out. And that allows you to take this off. So once you've done that, pull your window switch up, unplug everything. And then there's this little wire right here that clips to the door. This one, it goes right here to this little hole. So you're gonna push that out, and then I always start from this side, get a hold of it, and pull out on it, and work my way all the way down and around until I get back up to the top. It's just got clips; it'll pull straight out and pop. Then once you get it loose down there, you fix straight up on it like that to remove it. Then you'll have your cable that goes to your handle. You want to push in these 2 tabs and pull it out and unhook it. Now, once you get all that done, you need your drill and this Dorman repair kit. This is for the driver's side, 80374 CD. In your repair kit, there'll be this bag that has these screws in it, and then it'll have this bit. Put the bit on the drill, and you have to drill out these 6 plastic pop rivets. So we're going to drill those out. It doesn't take much, just taking the head off of it, just like that. And that's all you need to do. Now, if you don't have a drill, I have used a razor blade before. Take it and just cut these heads off of it, and it does the same thing. So if you don't have one, you can just cut them off. So remove this handle, throw it in the trash, get the new one, set it down on here. It'll only go one way. Then you get your new screws, put your washers on them. And we're going to start your screws. Now, these don't have to be all that tight. If you over tighten them, it will strip out. So all you're going to do is just snug them down. Now, even though Dorman makes this repair kit, it's actually a pretty good kit. I've done quite a few of these and I've never had an issue with them. And the only way to fix this from the dealer is to buy the whole door panel. So this is a lot cheaper route. Just like that. Grab your new handle. Take it with you. Now, you don't have to put the handle on right now. You can wait till after you get your center screw in the door. Makes it a little easier to get to it. Or you could go ahead and put it on. Either way, it'll work just fine. Now, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Set our new handle down. First thing you're going to do is set your door in these bottom ones to hold it up. There's two holes down there, and these right here. So it'll stay there. Hook your cable up. It just slides right in. Pull your wiring up to the door. Go ahead and put this back in its place. Okay, now pick your door up. And it's going to set this little plastic lip. It's going to sit right here in this groove. So just like that, set it in the top groove, push it down, take the bottom of the door, push it in. All the clips should pop right in. After you get all the clips popped in on your door panel, go ahead and grab your switch. Plug it in. Okay. And it just pushes right back down. Pop that in. Grab your handle. It'll only go on one way. And the two bolts that go in your handle has this little collar made onto the washer. Get those two. Start all the bolts. Excuse the video, guys. I'm doing all this one-handed. Okay. Now, get that one started. Put your other bolt. Goes right here where your handle is at. Tighten it down. And these two bolts go right here. All in all, this is only about a 15-minute job, 20 minutes max. It's pretty simple. That. Tighten these down. Grab your covers. Put the top in first and line up that center piece. Push it straight in. this cover, the nipple goes to the back. Push that in. And then this one. Push it straight back till it pops in. Grab it a lock. Push it all the way down flush. Then push that in. And then cover. And then the last thing is your handle itself. Which all you do is just push it straight on until you hear it click. And there you go. Right there's how you fix the interior door handle on your Chevy Silverado. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks.